Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill Anita espresso machine. Let's go ahead and purge the heat exchanger. So yeah, we just want to purge the big bubbles that come out. Those will create channeling. They'll also burn your coffee. So you just want to get those out. Go ahead and pull a shot. And so yeah, we got our shot of espresso, and then let's check the steam. Nice strong steam. Check the hot water. Hot water is working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.